Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light indicator on a 2019 Mercedes Benz E300. So what we're going to do is ignition on. We're going to go to that first setting right there where park came on, airbag light was on there for a second. I'll show you the difference. So that's full on there. We're going to go back to off there. Now we're going to hit it one more time. Speedo goes, odometer goes there. We want to make sure we're on the trip there as well. Right there, we're on the trip. We're going to hold down the home button here for about 2 seconds and then hold down that center button right next to it. So here we go. And right there, you can see it popped up, the Assist Plus menu. We're going to scroll down through here, hit Assist Plus. Now it wants ignition on. Turn it on. Telling us the service fee is overdue by 8 days. We're going to click right through that again. Go to full service, scroll down to confirm service. Again, I'm scrolling with that, pushing in with that. Pick the oil grade. We did 229.5 was our oil grade today. Hit that. Service carried out. Yes. Cannot be undone. Confirm. And right there, full service carried out. That's it. Alrighty, thanks for watching guys. Hope this was useful to anyone out there looking for this.